Hello, everyone. Nasser Qureshi, Realtor Daddy with Texas Signature Realty in Houston, Texas, once again. Today is December 12th, 2025. Deal of the day for you. I'm sharing this property on address is 7700 Creek Bend Drive, number 143, Houston, Texas 77071. By the listing agent Krishna Chitalia with the Texas Signature Realty, same brokerage that I'm with. Her number is 408-384-2201. Great price for a starter family, investor. You want to buy it, rent it out. This is it in an area which is very popular among uh, all the immigrant and others population and community. 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. If you know a thing or two about townhomes, there are less percentage of 3 or 4 bedroom townhomes available than 1 or 2 bedroom townhomes. So this is a 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's a big townhome, right? Um, Asking price $150,000, and it's decent living space, 1,452 square feet. So uh, one of my favorite photographers, Mario Gerussi, did photography and videography in this listing with the Pro 360 photos. So this is the video of it going on. 7700 Creekbend Drive, 143, Houston, Texas. Let's look at the pictures real quick. So on Townhome, a lot of people forget about or overlook the fact that yes, we are paying the homeowner association monthly fees, and but it many things are covered in homeowner association covers a lot of things, right? And big one is the roof. So yes, check with the details on this specific matter with the listing agent, but most of the townhomes, they are responsible for the roof of the townhomes. It's their headache. So that's a big one of the biggest expense a homeowner has is the roof. Every 15, 20, 25 years on average, you got to replace the roof, and the homeowner association take cares of that. What Everything is covered in a homeowner association, please contact Krishna, listing agent, and let me know also if you have some inquiry interest about this. Contact me also, as may or may not be being your buyer agent. But let's look at this pictures, all newly done, new appliances, big high ceiling, right on the street, easier to drop off or pick up kids from the school bus. Great carport space, storage right here, storage space, floors done. It's move-in ready. So, $150,000 asking on Creekbend Drive, and this will not last long. Great time to buy real estate is on the holiday season. Why? Because many and most of us are focused on holidays while you're getting and buying property, right? So it's listed by Miss Krishna, real estate agent. As I mentioned before, it's not my listing, but contact your buyer agent if you have any interest um, to see this property or any other property. If you don't have a buyer agent, I am also available to for you to assist you in this property or any other property that you like. You have prop if you have a property, whether you're an agent or not, for us to consider a deal of the day, please contact us. Also, contact us for any other real estate needs in the state of Texas. And remember, of course, time is money, but real estate is both. So let's not waste your time and money. And let's get to the action. I'll see you at the top. Bye bye.